You too, this is your boy Shib is back with another video of Barber Masters. Guys, in this video you will see the real picture of Barber's talent, because in this video we have got some of the finest haircut transformation ever. So don't skip this video, watch this video till then and you will get the right haircut idea for you. All of these crispiest haircut inspired by the most talented barber around the world, and I will all I will mention all of this barber in my description box, so don't skip this video. And if you really want to get a haircut one of these barber, I think you have to visit the description box. Wow, that was literally flawless skin fit haircut transformation, and we are moving the another one sharpest fade haircut transformation of the day. As you can see, that was the most beautiful shape up with mid fade haircut transformation I have ever seen on internet, and that was literally flawless. And here this guy drove 3 hours to get haircut, and he paid $80 for this haircut. And he's looking for some mid-drop fade. So let's see. We are waiting for the final product. Wow, that was literally perfect mid-drop fade, and that was flawless transformation. Anyways, we are moving the another haircut, and in this video, as you can see, this guy, that was literally just quick transition, but this guy just got the perfect lineup. No matter what type of hair you got, no matter what type of hairline issue you are facing now, I think you have to visit all of one of these barber, and you will get the right haircut idea, and you will get rid of your whatever you are facing the problem. Wow, the coolest mid-drop fade, and that was literally flawless transformation. That was literally flawless transformation. I appreciate that, Barber. Wow, this guy is literally lucky to have that type of barber. Anyways, we are moving the another barber masterpiece, because this guy has some huge chops, and this is gonna be a most probably the first fade. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, he's looking for V-neck with burst fade, and let's see the final product. Here is the final product, and yeah, he's looking fresh. He's looking fresh. Okay, we are moving the another one, and this is gonna be a most probably the mid fade or mid skin fade, I guess. The way these barbers are making that slow, it's very satisfying. There is no shake-up, only sharp and clean lineup with mixed skin fade. That's the perfect one. You got the short haircut row, The hairline is looking so unnatural. I don't know why, but the fade on the side are looking perfect. Oh, the mid drop fade first. And yeah, low mid drop fade. And that the shape of line is looking perfect. Yes, sir. You got some spice. Okay, we have a huge beard transformation, and let's see how this barber gonna trim that beard. Okay, I think this guy is looking for some V shape, and yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a little bit slopey, but yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. Here is the final haircut of the day, and this is gonna be a cleanest high taper fade haircut transformation ever. Look at this one. You know what? The taper fade also looking pretty handsome and white guy. That's the most interesting thing. And I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut transformation, guys. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload.